Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to unlock any apps on Android phone. So if you locked your Android phone using a app lock app and now you want to unlock apps, here's how to do it. So I locked my Messenger and Instagram app using this app lock app. Now I'm going to try my Instagram app. And as you can see, whenever I try to open my Instagram app, it's asking for a password. So now I will show you how you can easily unlock any locked app. The first solution is you have to go to the app, which app you used to lock your apps. So in my case, I'm opening this app lock pro app, and now I have to enter the password for the app. And here in this locked section, you will find all of your locked apps. All you have to need, just tap on unlock button and the app will be unlocked. As you can see, the app unlocked successfully. And if you have locked a bunch of apps on your Android phone and you forgot the PIN or password, don't worry. Here's how you can easily deactivate the app lock. Go to your phone settings. Here, scroll down and tap on apps. Tap on this search apps icon and here search for the app, which app you use to lock your apps. So I'm searching for app lock and tapping on the app. And here all you have to need, just tap on force stop, or you can completely uninstall the app locker. Once done, I'm going to opening a lock app. As you can see, my lock has been successfully removed from all apps. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.